This brand is made in the USA and can be purchased at Walmart, Amazon, and the Home Depot as well as through the Airo Comfort online store. The AC MWS models are available in 4 sizes from 800 to 14,000 BTU and have a 9 EER efficiency rating. They have 3 fan speeds and vertical swing louvers which do a good job of circulation the air throughout the room, but they only have a standard washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. These air conditioners use environmentally friendlier 32 refrigerant but only use an exhaust hose, which means conditioned air is constantly being removed from the room and having to be replaced by outside air, which is less efficient. The units have electronic controls with a remote but do not have Wi-Fi or voice command control. They do not use condensate evaporation technology, so they require either continuous draining of the condensate or manual dumping of the condensate bucket. The units are relatively quiet with a 50 decibel noise level, which is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator, but the guarantee on the units is not as good as other brands.